I have a 93 GT Timberline. I found completely stock and did a resto mod build. From the top, I have the Stridzlin bullshit bars in black. I have the Goldfinger 990 brake levers. I have the shock blade fenders for the front and the back, in case I'm riding in the rain. Over here, I have the Shimano V-brake brake levers with the stopping power, cool stop brake pads. I put those on there so that way I got some strong braking power. I changed this here from the 3:7 ratio to a 1:7. So I kept the Shimano drivetrain. This is a Stridzlin chain ring with the gold hardware. I ordered from them as well.